The 2017-2023 Chrysler Pacifica stores its spare tire under the rear of the vehicle. Access it by inserting the tire iron into the keyed slot on the cover plate near the rear bumper to unlock and lower it via the winch system. The jack and tools are located inside the vehicle in a compartment under the rear cargo floor, behind the third row seats. Fold down the third row seats and lift the floor panel to access the molded plastic bin containing the jack, tire iron, and other tools. Park on a flat surface and turn on your hazard lights. Remove the wheel cover if present and slightly loosen the lug nuts. Position the jack at the designated jack points near the flat tire. Jack up the vehicle until the tire clears the ground. Remove the lug nuts and flat tire, then mount the spare tire. Tighten lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the vehicle and fully torque lug nuts to 130 feet-pounds using a torque wrench if available. Always consult your owner's manual for diagrams. Remember, the spare is a temporary donut tire limited to 50 miles per hour and 50 miles.